Welcome all dear students. Dear students, today we are going to study 25% reduced syllabus of Animal Science and Technology Standard 12 महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्डने ॲनिमल सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी या सब्जेक्टचा जो काही 25% अभ्यासक्रम कमी केला आहे, तो कोणता अभ्यासक्रम कमी केला आहे त्याची अगदी डिटेलमध्ये चर्चा आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये करणार आहोत. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, हा जो अभ्यासक्रम आहे एकूण ॲनिमल सायन्स अँड डेअरी सायन्समध्ये एकूण 10 चॅप्टर आहेत. या 10 चॅप्टरपैकी काही प्रत्येक चॅप्टरमधला थोडा पोर्शन हा कमी केला आहे. तो पोर्शन मी हायलाईट करून दाखवलेला आहे. तो जो हायलाईट केलेला पोर्शन आहे तो पोर्शन महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्डनं 2020-21 साठी कमी केलेला आहे. त्यामध्ये पहिला चॅप्टर आहे रूटीन लाईव्हस्टॉक फार्म मॅनेजमेंट प्रॅक्टिसेस. यामध्ये कॅन यू रिकॉल हा पोर्शन रिड्यूस केला आहे. त्यानंतर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आयडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ ॲनिमल्स त्याखाली डू यू नो हा पोर्शन रिड्यूस केलेला आहे. हा पेज नंबर 1. Then dear students, on page number 4, basic components of RFID system, it is totally reduced. This highlighted portion taken into consideration, that highlighted portion is reduced. This do you know reduced? This diagram has also reduced. This is remember reduced. Observe and discuss also reduced on page number 5. Then dear students, page number 6, page number 7, 8, and dear students, on page number 9, that table is given. Typical cattle ages when permanent incisors teeth erupt, develop and wear. हा टेबल हा रिड्यूस करण्यात आलेला आहे. Then dear students, page number 12, grooming reduced. Grooming is reduced. This grooming reduced. Hand groomer, it's reduced portion. Mechanical groomer. On page number 13, do you know what is body condition scoring? Do you know important body parts of cow for body condition scoring? It is reduced. It's totally reduced. Then body condition score in cattle, it has also been reduced. On page number 14. On page number 15, it has reduced. Taken into consideration, that portion is reduced. Then principles of milking and principles of milking has been reduced. Dear students, here are some parts which are included in practical. The precautions to be taken while milking has been reduced. That is on page number 18. Precautions to be taken while milking. Then dear students, on page number 20, hoof trimming reduced. Remember, it is reduced. Technique of hoof trimming also reduced. Ringing of bulls, it is reduced. It is reduced. Ringing the bulls. Vaccination also reduced, dear students. This table also reduced the vaccination schedule for cattle and buffaloes. Then deworming schedule for cattle and buffaloes. This table type of worm schedule has also been reduced. Then types of registers also reduced. Then this portion has reduced. This all portion has been reduced. Then dear students, chapter number 2, housing of dairy animals. In this, on page number 34, observe and discuss has been reduced. Internet my friend has been reduced. That captions, two captions has been reduced. Then on 35, internet my friend, caption reduced. Then dear students, on page number 38, gutters has been reduced. Gutters, walls has been reduced. Calfing boxes has been reduced. Doors has been reduced. On page number 39, isolation boxes, page number 40, sales for young stocks, bull or bullock sale has been reduced. This is question part, that is chapter 2. Then dear students, chapter 3, dairy, cattle and buffalo management. In this, can you recall reduced this caption? Then feeding and management of calf before birth has been reduced. This portion reduced on 42 page number. And on page number 44, methods of milking, methods of milk feeding to calf has been reduced. Pail feeding, this technique reduced. Nipple feeding technique reduced. Advantage, disadvantage has been reduced. 45. On page number 46, feeding of refuges to calf has been reduced. On page number 47, composition of concentrate mixture has been reduced, and also housing of calf, this highlighted portion has been reduced. The pen size of per calf reduced. 48, housing of heifers reduced. (52) Housing for breeding bulls has been reduced. 54, cooling system in the farm has been reduced. This portion has been reduced. Strategies to reduce the negative effect of heat stress has also been reduced. Feeding management also been reduced. Providing natural or artificial shade area, this portion is reduced. Selection of heat tolerant animals is reduced. Try this on page number 55 has also been reduced, this caption. Then dear students, chapter number 4, that is goat management. In this chapter, page number that is 68, try this caption has been reduced only, and on all other some points are reduced for theory but included in practical, so I don't take here consideration of that portion because it is included in practical, so I had not taken it here for consideration. Then sheep management. Page number 73, internet my friend, this caption has been reduced. Then dear students, chapter number 6, poultry housing and feeding. Dear students, keep in mind that the portion of chapter number 4 and chapter number 5, goat management and sheep management, has some portion has reduced for theory, and it is included in practical. So you should study it. Okay, it is not reduced for practical. It is studied in practical. So the questions can be asked in your exam. Then poultry housing and feeding, chapter number 6. These essentials of good poultry housing reduced. The construction of house has been reduced. Foundation, the floor, concentrate floor, wire mesh floor, walls, doors, water tanks is reduced. Do you know on page number 82 reduced. Observe and discuss also reduced. On page number 83, free range system, advantage, disadvantage reduced. And on page number 88, linear feeder along with its diagram has been reduced. Do you know has been reduced? 88, this caption. On page number 92, mixer and sprinkler has been reduced. Then dear students, on page number 95, whole grain feeding has been reduced. This highlighted portion. Then restricted or controlled feeding has been reduced. This highlighted portion. Then dear students, chapter number 7, poultry management. This selection of hatching eggs has been reduced. These points, these 3 to 4 points. Then dear students, page number 101, sex linked character or auto sexing has been reduced. Then page number 102, floor, feeder and water space, this highlighted portion has been reduced. 102. Then dear students, on page number 104, housing has been reduced. This do you know reduced. Then page number 105, difference between good layers and poor layers has also been reduced. This table on 105. Then 106, remember portion reduced. That is, breeder stock should be routinely stated. This portion reduced. On page number 108, important parameters to be considered in broiler business are, this portion is reduced. These 5 points. Then page number 110, 110 पान नंबर, त्यामध्ये मान्सून मॅनेजमेंट has been reduced. That monsoon management is reduced. Then dear students, next one chapter is livestock diseases and public health. Science of health and diseases. This the science of health and diseases animals are given table 8.1. This is reduced on page number 112. That is this table. This whole table has been reduced on 113 page number. On page number 116, internet my friend has been reduced. Dear students, page number 129. Do you know? Caption has been reduced. Page number 130. Remember. Do you know? Internet, my friend. These three captions has been reduced. On page number 131, table important zoonotic diseases, their causes, mode of transmission and symptoms observed in human beings. This table has been reduced. This all table has been reduced. On page number 134, do you know KFD was the first discovered in 1957? This caption has been reduced. Remember, this caption has been reduced. Remember has been reduced. This caption 134. 135. On 135, steps for proper hand wash has been reduced. Then internet, my friend, caption reduced. Contingency planning for livestock has been reduced. This portion, all this portion has been reduced. Then dear students, next one chapter is chapter number 9, milk, heat and milk, meat and eggs. In this, Verghese Kurian scientist, this scientist has been reduced. Then page number 141, use your brain power, this caption reduced. Try this caption reduced. Then on page number 142, do you internet, my friend, has been reduced. Then Louis Pasteur scientist has been reduced. His contribution has been reduced. 144, 145. On page number 145, try this caption reduced. 146, try this portion reduced. On page number 146. On page number 147, can you tell, this caption has been reduced. On page number 149, transportation of milk is reduced. Try this reduced. Try this reduced. These two captions 149. And page number 151, internet, my friend, has also been reduced. Then on page number 153, composition of different types of meat, eggs and milk per 100 gram. This table has been reduced. Then processing of meat and meat products has also been reduced. Remember reduced. Remember reduced. Remember this. Remember part reduced. This all portion is reduced, dear students. Classification has also been reduced. Then on page number 156, do you know has been reduced. Use your brain power has been reduced. Page number 158, grading of eggs reduced. Try this reduced. Grade, designation and quality of table eggs produced in India has also been reduced. This table. Then page number 160, transportation of meat and eggs has been reduced. Egg transport. Then dear students, last one chapter is value added livestock products. In that, can you recall, this portion has been reduced for this caption. On page number 179, chemical composition of cow and buffalo ghee. This table has been reduced on 179. On page number 185, the formulation of patties has been reduced. Patties, what is meat patties and formulation of meat patties, remember, has been reduced. So dear students, in this way we have seen which portion of animal science and technology subject has been reduced by Maharashtra State Board for the exams April-May 2021.